Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is take off your engine shield, which as you can see there are 4 grommets, pretty easy. Lift it straight up. You'll see the 4 posts there, and then we're going to remove the 3 T30s, and then pull this clip back, and then remove this connector. If you go to pull back, you see how if you press down at the same time, pull back, push in, click, this, kind of push down a little bit, pull back. No need to picks and all that. That's pretty simple stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and remove the 3 T30s. If yours is like mine, it's probably hot. Ow. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and place our valve back in there now. As you can see, pretty much only one way you can go. Do that. Button. Alright, so here's the right angle that you need to get at with this, because, you know, why would we not have hoses in the way? Now, alright, so we're going to do this. Looks like we have... Okay, as you can tell, we have the DV valve in there now. As you can tell, this rotates. And putting the last screw in. As you can tell, it's kind of a hard angle to get to. You just kind of have to hold the hose. And tighten. Not technically done. We need to put the engine cover back on and all that good stuff. But make sure your connection's good. Make sure it's in there. Kind of tuck it in. Right. So I'm going to take that out. No coats. And you can't even see the little guy under there. It's there.